School-based mental health services and support programs are important to creating safe and supportive learning environments. We know that. And a local school district has developed a new tool to provide students with a variety of resources. Joining us now to talk about this is Kim Arnold. She's a teacher at the school, and Joanna Littell, who is a mental health clinician. Good morning, ladies. Thanks so much for joining. We really appreciate it.
Good morning.
We're so excited to have this opportunity. Thank you so much.
We're so excited to have you. Social, emotional well-being, and health. It is paramount when we're talking about young kids and learning in the classroom. When it comes to math and science and reading, you can't have that without the social, emotional health. How is this new tool working in the Vacaville School District?
Well, firstly, we're so glad to hear you say that. We couldn't agree more, which is sort of why we're here. And the way that it's working is first to really address what it is. And social emotional learning is teaching self-awareness intentionally, teaching self-management intentionally, then teaching social awareness, and then extending that to relationship awareness. And so social emotional learning is really teaching children how to navigate themselves and society. And what we know, as you said, that until children can navigate those elements, they are unable to access the academic gains that we'd like them to learn.
I'm so glad that you said that. When you're trying to get a kid to sit down and learn something, if they can't sit still, if they can't pay attention, if they have no social awareness of what they're doing, that learning can't take place. So this is so important. What else do you have to add to that?
Well, what I want to add to that, and what I really hope that parents understand, along with my fellow educators, is that, what we see is sort of some maladaptive behavior or behavior that doesn't quite fit into the classroom when kids' mental health and social emotional awareness needs have not been met. And so a lot of times we sort of think of that as like, oh, he's not a very well-behaved child, but really what is that stemming from? It's stemming from a root of not being able to identify his emotions and properly work through his emotions. And so we, as educators, and particularly here at our school, Payton Elementary, we've put an extremely strong and intentional emphasis on taking time every day to teach these skills.
And I would even say when a child is acting out, it's because a need isn't being met. There's something wrong, and they may not be able to voice that. What's this new tool that you're using, and how can families take advantage?
We've worked together within our district, and especially at Payton, to offer a tiered system of intervention. And we offer various resources to all of our students depending on what their needs are. And so that might be to students within the classroom using a specific social emotional curriculum. It also might be through group counseling, or it might be through one-on-one. And we just want parents to know that we're offering these resources so that they can know how to reach out if our students need help.
Okay, girls, where can people go for more information if they just saw a portion of this segment but they want to know more?
Well, there's a series of places to go. We did provide a list of apps that are really great for help teaching mindfulness and social emotional learning tools to our littlest learners. Additionally, the Vacaville Unified School District website under student needs has a real plethora of information and resources, from everything ranging from free counseling to tips and tools for little ones, and a whole gamut of things that could be used to help with the mental health needs of the students.
That's great. Well, thank you so much, Kim Arnold and Joanna Littell, for taking the time this morning to talk about such an important topic that sometimes I think kind of flies under the wire. We really appreciate it, and we also applaud your efforts. I know you're educators. I know this year has not been easy, so thank you for what you do.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Have a great day.